All right, a disturbing breaking news coming in at this moment. A school bus has overturned in the national capital. Dozens of children, in fact, many children are reportedly injured in this particular accident. The accident has taken place near the ISBT in Kashmiri Gate. Let's see if we've got pictures coming in at this moment. This accident being reported from Kashmiri Gate bus terminus. Anindo Banerjee, India Today's correspondent, now joins us on the phone line. Anindo, what more details do we have?
Sanket, all we know is that for a time, more than, as you rightly said, more than 12 students were there. It was not a regular bus. It was a medium carriage vehicle which overturned near ISBT. It had all the students were injured. Few of them were very seriously injured. Everybody were taken to the AIIMS Trauma Center. Right now they are undergoing treatment. Which school, we don't know as of now. But all we know that few are very serious, and otherwise around 10 or 11 8 or 10 students are not that serious. They have been given medical facility. They have given first aid. And
Anindo, how many children were there inside that bus?
We have been told around 12 to 14 students are there, because it's not a very big bus. We're told it's a medium vehicle bus. The capacity is not beyond
okay,
that.
Anindo, do stay on with us. These are pictures that we are getting you on your screen right now of that bus that turned turtle. It overturned near ISBT Kashmiri Gate in the national capital. For the benefit of our viewers, we are also going to put the location that this incident has happened at the ISBT in Kashmiri Gate in the national capital. This happened early this morning. The police is at the spot right now. That's the bus that you actually see on your screen, which overturned. We do not know how many children were there inside. Details still coming in at this moment. Do not even know whether the number of total injuries that have taken place so far. But this is a very busy intersection in the national capital. It's the ISBT Kashmiri Gate where a school bus actually turned. There were a lot of children inside. This is not a regular school bus, as you can see by its color. We'll try and get in more details. Anindo is still on the phone line with us. Anindo, these are pictures that we are actually getting for the benefit of our viewers where a school bus has overturned in the national capital. Do we have some clarity as to how many children were there inside?
Sanket, we are told there's more than a dozen students there, as you rightly said, but not the exact. It's a very as we are breaking the story, we don't have exact details at this point of time. All we know is that we're around between 12 to 14 students were there, but this is a very premature. It will be very premature to give the details.
Where have they been taken, Anindo? Where have the injured children been taken?
Sanket, they have been taken to the AIIMS Trauma Center. They are being given medical first aid. We have been told 2 or 3 students are a bit serious who are then given.
Do we know how this incident happened, Anindo?
Sanket, as I said, it will be very premature to give more details. But as we're getting details from the traffic.
Anindo, do stay on with us. I believe there's some reaction coming in from the ground, and then we'll have greater clarity. It's an eyewitness actually narrating what happened.
जब मैं यहाँ पे सवारी ऑटो से उतार रहा था तो मैंने देखा ये गाड़ी है ना एकदम लड़खड़ाती हुई आई और यहाँ से पटरी पे चढ़ी। पटरी में चढ़ने के बाद मैं सीधी खंबे से टकराई और खंबा गिरते ही गाड़ी पलट गई।
So, Anindo, that's an eyewitness who's actually saying that this bus was out of control and it hit a pole, and that's when it actually overturned.
Right. So, as you know, and everybody knows for that matter, that half of the conveyance here in national capital are not the regular buses. As you rightly mentioned, the color of the bus is not of a regular school bus, and they have made different kind of vehicles, not a regular bus. There's been auto rickshaws, otherwise also. So, this kind of incidents happen because they go unreported because we don't have.
Okay, Anindo, very briefly, a new update that is coming in our news server. We can see that this was an RTV van which actually met with an accident. This accident happened at the interstate bus terminus, ISBT Kashmiri Gate in the national capital. The injured children have been taken to the trauma center, as Anindo has in fact been telling us, and the total figure that we have at this moment are 12 children and a driver have been injured in this particular accident. So that's the latest that is coming in at this moment on this particular accident. It's going to be an important story. We are going to track each and every detail. Remember, it's school children who are involved here. We will in fact get all the details on them, and let's hope and pray that they are out of harm's way as far as this accident is concerned. Short break here on First Up.